Hello everybody and welcome to Weekly Market Outlook again. So I wasn't there. I was busy doing some stuff inside of the academy with my clients, with my traders. So we're doing some progressive webinars and so on. So we are fully active inside of academy. So that's the reason why I wasn't there. And of course I had to enjoy and take some rests from the charts, and I didn't manage to have time for the general public webinar. So here we are now, back again. If you guys have any questions during the webinar, feel free to use the live chat. For those who are watching me on TradingView and YouTube, use the live chats. I can see both of the chats. Emmanuel, hello. So hope everyone is good, hope everyone is doing well. There are some setups that are setting up nicely, so we will need some focus. We will have to discuss about those potential setups. So let's start. Let's see what I have published over there. I have published a couple of setups that may be active, some are not. So let's discuss about them, what is active. Then we will go through the setups to hold the Forex to see what is almost ready or what we should watch. So euro dollar, that's what I have posted yesterday. Okay, so as we can see now, this is trying to struggle over there, probably will struggle over there, give us some price actions around the trend line, and then this is another leg lower, which I'm anticipating. So another leg lower, it's what you should be watching. Currently we don't have anything, it's still there, still has to complete this movement over there, small move, it's over there. Currently we are not interested in these small moves, they are more risky, but sell is what we are aiming for. Okay, so the similar movement as we have over there, it's what will happen over there. Okay, so it's really worth of waiting for the move, really worth of waiting for the current setup to appear. Then we will go for that sell over there, at least breaking the low. It's gonna be a great profit. I think there's 200 pips, probably even more, we'll see. Of course, your chief, that one is interesting. We are struggling there currently. Now the question is what the price is trying to do. Is this one correcting? We'll go one more lower just to break the low and then start pushing to the upside, break those highs again and then start to break, or will it just drop? Okay, so as it stands right now, we have to watch this part of the structure, this part of the chart. Okay, and we have to be prepared for every option. For now I don't see any buy setup, so still we'll wait with the buys. Okay, buy will not what I will be currently interested. I'm still for the sell, but we'll see what will happen during the day today. Of course you cannot just buy based on analysis, guys. Okay, you cannot buy based on prediction or based on what we are talking about. So you will need an entry strategy. You will need a strategy how and when you will trade this, what we are talking about over there. Okay, so and that's the reason why you should join us. Okay, joining us, you will get all that knowledge. You will learn entry strategy, exit strategy, risk management, and everything what you need to become profitable full-time trader. Okay, if you want to do that alone, okay, you can do that as well. But it will take you a lot more time than you think, because you have to backtest all this stuff, how it works and how it works, when it works, statistically, enter strategy, exit strategy, and so on. That everything needs to be backtested before you will go live with it. Okay, so if you're interested to join us, just go to the website, tradingmaster.eu. This is the website. Or there you'll find the link, or under every video you will find the link attached. Okay, so and one more thing, for all those who are saying or commenting that membership is too expensive, then probably you're not for this kind of the business. Okay, so you have to go and sell hamburgers in McDonald's or just do some other stuff. Cleaning it is probably the best stuff for you, because with this kind of mindset, if the $1,000 it's expensive for you, then you are not in the right business, my friend. Okay, you have to do other businesses, because this is a big business, big money, it's over there, and you cannot be there with this cheap mindset. Okay, really, that's not a business for you, and you have to do a switch. Probably, I don't know why did you came to this huge business, maybe from some advertising ads. I don't know, maybe someone have shown you that there's the casino gambling for you. So yep, change it, save some time. That's not where you should be. Okay, so let's go. Euro chief, I have shown you what we are anticipating over there. Oz USD, as you can see over there, it's still extending. We didn't take any sells. Okay, that was just keep going. We didn't take neither buy new and sell. So that I will update this chart. It's not valid anymore. Okay, so forget it. Pound yen, that moment you should take a profit over there. So there was a nice sell stop. We took a profit over there already, and now it's not moving anywhere. We will watch the bigger picture anyway. For our 1 hour setup, it's not active over there. So if you took this sell over there, you should take in profit over there. If you took a break even over there, then you're doing something wrong. Oz USD, that's not active anymore. We are breaking higher now, so not active chart. Pound yen, yeah, this is what happened over there. Went down, correct, went lower, so now it's struggling. We will watch what we can expect on pound yen. Here New Zealand has decided to go for the bigger correction. Okay, so it looks like we are going into the bigger correction now. Okay, we'll show you the bigger pictures as well, but this idea it's still there, but it's a little bit different. Okay, structure has changed a little bit, but we are still anticipating the buy. Euro yen, what it did, went up nicely, went down, struggling. Picture has changed, structure is changing a little bit slowly. USD CAD, look at that one. This beauty is just going nicely. Went down, give you the correction over there, and now it's going down. Okay, so let's keep pushing lower. So if you took a sales over there, great. If you didn't, then wait for the pullback. Wait for any kind of the correction before you will take this last push to the downside. Don't jump in those running candles. This is not for you right now. Okay, you have to wait. Once the market will stop, then you will come in the play. USD yen has changed a little bit as well. Okay, so after those many of hours, you should recognize that there's no momentum for buy, and it just starts to pushing lower, and even now it's doing something for more sell over there. So keep an eye. We will of course discuss about the USD yen. It's really interesting structure development right now. Euro chief, do I have to say anything more than a wonderful chart? Okay, went down, correcting now. We just have to see what it's doing. Updated ideas there at the beginning. I have shown you at the beginning, right there. Not there, sorry, here. Updated idea. What else we have over there? Aussie New Zealand went lower, wasn't so aggressive. Slow kind of movement. It's gone. Set up basically. Euro GBP. This one is correcting now. Look at that one. We are correcting now. We have to see if this will be correction for more upside, or will this just extend up and then break lower. Okay, we have to discuss about it, and we will see what the price is about to do. CAD yen went down lower. Okay, if you took that sell profit and another sell was there, you should be having a nice profit or generating nice profit there on CAD yen. Okay, that one went nicely. There was a nice buy stops, couple of buy stops, and that's it. Yeah, right. The rest is just gone. Okay, this one went nicely. Okay, so this is it. The rest is not valid anymore. Okay, or they are just old ideas. Okay, so let's go. Now I will go step by step. If you guys have any questions, feel free to use the live chat. Okay, so DXY, what we are having on the DXY is really in the interesting structure, because this could just this could just go a little bit lower, give us the flat over there, huge daily flat before next push to the upside. That's really possible. So selling there, it does making sense, because look at that one, what you are aiming for. Okay, the price will not go in the straight line to the downside, so I really don't see this kind of the behavior right now as it stands. And weekly structure as well, it's not looking for a big drop. Okay, so what you need or what you can trade now is this movement. Okay, wait for buy, prepare yourself for the buy stops on DXY. I really do anticipate there a nice flat, daily flat before we will have a next movement to the upside on the dollar. So keep an eye, watch it. Of course you can go for the buy. Okay, so this is why you need to learn how to trade, because this will go up, you can go for this movement over there. Okay, so that, and then of course you can go for this movement, you see. So you are basically trading in the correction. You are capable of trading in the correction if you have the proper rules. Okay, that's what I'm teaching my team, my members. Okay, you need to have a rules, you need to have a strategy how you will go for every single movement that is happening on the market, and of course you have to see it. Okay, you have to see it before it is coming, before it is in the making. On the way like that, you will catch a nice movements over there. So what you should do, what is your upcoming week or this week job? Let's do whatever it wants to do. It could just go a little bit lower, but ignore it. Focus on this movement. Okay, wait for buy setups. Okay, at least buy flag, it's what you should go for, and trade it at least back at the previous top. Okay, that's gonna be first taking profit area. I don't think this is all of the correction and we are going totally to the upside, so I really don't see this one. Would love it to see some struggling over there, and then the price will go higher after flat confirmation will complete it. USD CAD pushing down lower. Okay, daily, you can see what the daily is trying to do. There was impulse, there was some correction inside, and now we are going for the downside, giving one more structure, going up, and then it will go lower. Okay, so where we are heading to, we are heading to the downside. Of course you can watch for the sell stops. There is still a lot of room to appear, and still some good setups will appear during this week. Okay, just wait for the pullback on 1 hour, 15 minutes, depends how skilled you are, depends what is your strategy. Of course, wait for the pullback, take a sell. Okay, don't chase the price right now as it stands right now. That's not the price where you should be selling. Okay, just leave it, let it do whatever it wants to do. Give it a couple more days, let's say 2 to 3 days to correct at least before you'll go for the sell. USD chief. Okay, what do we have over there? Let me just clean this mess. So yeah, there's the correction which will appear anytime soon. So this will go into the bigger correction before the next push to the downside. Okay, something like this is even possible. Okay, 1 to 3 bigger, and then next leg lower. Okay, that's gonna give you just a bigger pullback, deeper, bigger pullback. Could be completed. Yes, this could be completed movement. This could even go for this kind of correction and break down totally. Okay, so it's really worth of taking this sell, but it's not ready yet, guys. You just have to see and let this correction to appear. Probably the whole month. Okay, the whole next month, this correction will be developing over there, up and down, and then it will start breaking down. And of course you have to take every single sell. So what we will do in our academy, in our team, we will watch this correction and we will take every sell. We will take this sell if it is not going profit or a break even. We will take this sell, profit or a break even. We will take this sell, profit or break even. One of them will go, and which one, I have no idea. One of them will go, and this one which will go, we will be definitely in, and this is where we'll be making money. Okay, we are not interested to trade over there. Okay, you can make money there over there. Yeah, you can make it, but not a big amount of money. That's just some daily trade, let's say, get in and get out with small pips, few pips, and that will be everything. So it's much for playing than trading. Okay, we cannot generate profit for a living over there when the price is in the correction, but you can generate a nice profit when we are having these movements. Okay, this is what will give you the money for a living. Okay, and then you don't need to do stupid stuff anymore. So yeah, let's do whatever it wants to do. Use the Mexican going down. Okay, and yeah, don't do anything. Oh, that's not a tradable chart. South African rand, we are going down probably as it stands right now. Let me see the daily, what daily is trying to do. Yeah, did we break the top? No, we didn't. That could be the problem. Okay, so that still could go higher, break the tops, and then it could go lower. Or what it could do, it could go into the complicated structure and then will go higher. Okay, this as it stands right now, it's really possible movement over there. Okay, give you the flat over there, take the low, going up, and then we may see the sell. So if you want, you can search for sell stops in the next upcoming weeks. Aussie USD, what it's trying to do, it's going higher. We were watching this one to go lower, still didn't go lower. I'm not interested in this buy over there. I will be interested if I get any confirmation. Okay, there was some small confirmation for a buy, but that wasn't big enough. Okay, I don't trust this correction. Anytime soon we will have something like this, and if do so, then yeah, we will be buying it. If not, I am the seller. Okay, I will be the seller. I will not go into this trade that fast, or I will not jump into the trade. Aussie Chief, what we're having over there, let me see. Yeah, this one, let me. I still think this one will go lower. That's not a buy stop. Okay, I'm kind of sure, not this one, but it will be like so probably. Right, so we can have a bit bigger correction over there. One more pullback going up, and then this still to come. We just have to see and breaking this low and tagging the trend line. Okay, so probably the whole week, this week, we will see the correction over there. Aussie New Zealand, yeah, that's already almost completed. Went up higher nicely, so keep an eye there. Okay, if something is having a pullback, that doesn't mean you sell there, you put stop loss somewhere there and you are trading. No, that's far away from trading. Okay, you need a proper sell setup. You need a 1 hour confirmation, at least 1 hour. If you're skilled enough, you can go on lower time frame, but as it stands right now, there is nothing. It's just pushing, and it can just push. Okay, so what will be the problem? If you sell there, you can be stopped out really easily, so be careful. Let's do whatever it wants to do, giving you at least some flag over there, then you can start selling. Okay, then when I will start selling it, so keep an eye there. It's gonna be a nice trade, medium term trade. I don't think we will see the breakdown over there. Okay, they always do this kind of pullbacks, you see, deeper pullback, and then they will go like they did over there. Okay, so small trade will be over there, I can guarantee you that. Aussie Cat, buy, it's not yet confirmed. Okay, so don't run for the buy. What does this mean? I think we will have a flat formation over there. Okay, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, exactly similar scenario as we have on oil. Okay, so for all of those who've been there really long and those who are old followers, they know what we've been talking about. The oil, it did exactly the same. So Aussie Cat, it's about to do the same structure. I see the flat confirmation over there. This correction over there will just confirm that we will go into the daily correction. So as it stands right now, it will not just go into the straight line. That's not possible. So let's do whatever it wants to do, or let the correction complete, and then we'll go for the buy. If you're skilled enough, you can take a sell. Okay, you can be a seller over there by the middle of the week, or maybe by the end of the week. You can be the seller taking profit as soon as we break the low. Give us the buy confirmations. Okay, then you should be a buyer over there. Buy, it's really good opportunity. I can see it going even that much really fast. Okay, so let me see. Yeah, 400 pips, I think 460. That's a lot of pips. So those big corrections are really tradable, so make sure you learn how to trade them. It will not go in this just break and high. Okay, so if anyone wants to buy the break, that's a stupid idea. Okay, because this could just go up and give us the running flat, and guess what? Okay, you'll be panicking. So wait, let's do it. This move is needed. New Zealand USD, same there. I don't see any confirmation, anything there, so we'll still wait for the sell stops. If there will be the buy, then I will wait for the flat any kind of correction, it's what I will need before I will go for this buy. Until then, I'm staying neutral. I'm not trading it over there. Won't take any trades. It's not making sense for me, because anytime soon we can have a deeper correction. And if you will be the buyer, if you're watching the buy, then you will have probably difficult times. So let the correction appear first. New Zealand Chief, as always, playing tricky game. Okay, this one is been there for how long? Okay, since 6th of April. Okay, almost a month. What a month? 2 months will be slowly, yeah. It's really for kind of long over there. Okay, and as you can see, they are always correcting, but they will drop. I see them dropping because we are in this daily correction. I'm not sure that this will go to the upside. Okay, really don't see this kind of behavior right now. If we'll do so, then you have any corrections over there is what you will see, but leg lower is what I would really love to see. So keep an eye. Don't just buy based on candles like the most of traders does. If you think that this is the buy, wait for the correction, then take a buy. Okay, this is when you will take a buy, at least back at the previous low. If you would love to be the seller, okay, what you have to do, wait for some kind of correction, then take a sell. You see, so we are now on the spot where you should not be trading, let's say like that. Okay, no trading at all. You just have to wait for confirmations. Candle up doesn't mean buy, candle down doesn't mean sell. Okay, this is what you have to understand if you are a trader or if you are learning to be a trader. Okay, so really important stuff to understand that one single candle, it's not your strategy. You cannot trade based on one single strategy. Okay, so red candle you sell, green candle you buy. Okay, that's how gamblers are trading. Okay, you will be profitable maybe 2-3 days, but the rest of the month you will be in a big huge drawdown, and yeah, you will have to go to sell hamburgers to someone. It's gonna be better business for you. So nothing there yet, okay, but it's gonna give us a nice chances. Okay, New Zealand cat, same there. It will go for a bigger flat over there, something like this, and then go higher. So you can go for sell, of course. Okay, just find the proper sell stops, go for it, and take a trade. Euro dollar. Okay, we already described it at the beginning of the webinar. So this is it. This is what I'm watching for. I will watch this part of the structure really closely during this week, because I would love to go for this sell. I would love to catch every sell that will happen over there, because potentially it's really big. I think there is more than 420 pip, but this could extend even deeper. So you will have a bigger movement, something like this. Okay, so 650. Okay, this is really good movement over there, setting up. We just have to wait for it. Okay, don't jump in the trade. If you are some kind of trader who is trading on analysis, you should be trading like this, and then you will put your stop loss like this. Okay, so this is not how you have to trade. Okay, I see a lot of traders doing something like this. Okay, so this is like you want to be a winner. Okay, this trading is like that. You want to be a winner and that you want to be in the trade because you don't have time. Okay, so this is the trading that people are doing. Okay, and this is what will not bring you money. This kind of trading will not give you money. Even if you have $1 million account, it's not making sense having that big stop losses and just clicking the trades all around based on wave analysis, because this could still go up. Okay, this could still go up, and you should not be in this sell, right? So that's what I'm trying to teach people. Don't press or click or sell trades or buy trades based on analysis. It's the stupidest idea, stupidest thing that you could ever do. So wait for solid price action. Wait any kind of sell setups over there before you will take a sell, and then just enjoy it, right? Take it. It will be worth of trading it. Your chief, what is doing? I'm not sure this is going up, but if do so, okay, I'm not in the trade, right? So if this will go up, okay, I'm not in the trade, but if this will go for the sell, I will definitely go for the sell. I will definitely take this sell, give it some chance, see what it's about to do around the previous low. If it breaks down, then I will be in the really good trade. Why? If you watch the daily, okay, daily has a lot of potential over there. Come on, daily has a lot of potential to break out of this structure and just go deeper. Okay, this is what will give you a lot of money, and if you will be waiting for this buy, you could easily miss this sell over there. So what you should do, you have to take every single sell stop. Buy is okay, you can miss it, but even if there will be a good buy, you can take it. But how it is right now, what it's doing right now, you can buy. That's not a buy. Okay, some people are just buying based on breakout. Okay, just they buy and then they go like this. Okay, that's a stop loss trade again, because this will go like this, probably a little bit in the profit, then it will hit you straight in your stop loss and the trade will go to the downside. You should be a seller then. Okay, they, of course, if you're having an open buy over there, then you will not be selling it on sharp breakdowns. I'm 100% sure that you cannot do that. Your brain function and your brain doesn't work like that. So what you should do is watch this 1 hour. Okay, 1 hour is enough good time frame, which will shows you and indicates you what the price is trying to do. This is if it starts to go down, if you'll have any sharp breakdowns, take a sell. Believe me, it's worth of taking it, because it could nicely break out of all those structures and it's worth of taking it. If buy will appear, then you will have a chance. Okay, it will break out, it will correct, then you will take a buy. Otherwise, don't chase it, don't push it. EuroCAD, very interesting chart. Okay, there was some sell stop, didn't go far, break the low. Now we can have a buy over there. Okay, but I'm still more for the sell. I think that this could be a running flat. This could be a running flat and we are going down. Okay, so keep an eye, watch there what the price will do. Any sharp breakdown, I really would love to sell it. Something as it did there and something could do there, I would rather sell it than buy it. For buy, maybe during the week we will watch it again. Okay, we will have a discussion in the academy. We'll go on the webinar, we will discuss about it. If it is about to change, then yeah, we may buy it. But for now, as it stands right now, there is no buy setup. I don't see any buy setup, so rather prepare yourself for a sharp breakdown over there. Okay, so keep an eye over there and see if any sharp pull down of sharp breakdowns will appear. Eurozone, this is slowly pushing lower in the correction. I don't think this will break down. Let me see. No, I think that this looks like a really nice correction over there in the making, going down, take the trend line, going up, break the low, break the top, and then go lower. So if you want, you can take a sell just to break this low. That's gonna be your trade, maximum what you will get out of the trade, and that's it. Breaking the low and take profit. Here in New Zealand, bigger correction. Okay, so this is just one part of the correction. We have to go lower, break the low, and then we will change the direction for one more buy before it drops. Can even break lower, yes it can, but then I would rather be a seller outside. Or once it breaks, once it's confirmed the trend to the downside, then I will take a sell. Euro GBP, this one will go higher. Okay, probably. Okay, probably. I'm not yet sure that this is a buy. As it stands right now, this could be just a huge correction. This could be a flat going down, giving you the big flag over there, going back up, break the top, break this top, take the trend line, and then to go lower. Okay, so this is what I can see already, having a big structure in the making. So let me show you again on daily, going down, going up, going down, giving you a daily correction over there, going up, break those tops, and then it can easily start pushing lower. So keep an eye, watch it closely, let's see how it develops, but that's not for a buying. Okay, that's not a buy setup, at least not for now. Okay, that looks like a flat for a sell, and breaking down could be a nice trade over there on your GBP. So watch it and use your strategy, how you'll trade it. Get in, get out. If it's not this, what you are waiting for and anticipating. Euro Polish zloty going lower. Discussing about this already, so nothing special, just corrections and more downside is what we will have over there. Here Nokian, I think this is still a sell. I think this is a correction, expanded flat, one more leg lower, and then we'll see. But not ready yet. Okay, that looks like a impulse correction, an impulse for a bigger correction going up, giving you maybe the channel is what we will have over there, tagging the top, and then we may start going lower. Okay, not yet ready for a sell. If it breaks down, that's not gonna last longer. It's gonna be a short sell, and then still has to go up. Pound, yay, we finally come to the pound. Many of you are asking me about the pound, what the pound trying to do. What I see over there is, I think this is a contracting flat in the making. So this going up, giving you a running flat, another one going up, break the top, and then going down. That's gonna give you the completed correction. This is how it looks right for now. I don't think we will go and tag the top. Okay, I really don't see this one. Maximum what we will get out of the trade is tagging this high, tagging, breaking the top, and then we should prepare ourselves to start selling it. It's a nice potential of forming on the Empire, so really likely possible we will have this structure over there. This sell, don't think that this is gonna drop. Okay, that's gonna just give you the running flat, break the top, then going lower. So keep an eye. CAD yen, same there. This thing is gonna go and break those tops, so kind of bigger corrections are in the making and then going lower. Okay, they even can go tagging this high, so be careful. Move can extend across the market. Aussie yen, this one it's about to be completed. I think there you have an example what chart is trying to do. Look at that one. Okay, pound yen is doing this, you see this one, and if you watch the Aussie yen, we have this one. Now what we need, break those tops. What it's doing is breaking tops. That's not a buy, guys. Don't buy. This is not a buy setup, so don't be stuck over there. Okay, so you have an example, pound yen and euro yen, what the price should do. So euro yen, same there. This is a correction, struggle there, and then it will drop still. New Zealand yen, sell. Okay, wait for sell. It's not yet there, guys. It's not yet there. Wait for the sell stop. They still has to drop. Okay, this is the movement that we are anticipating. Same there. Chief yen breakout doesn't mean anything. That's still not a sell, not a buy stop. So don't be blinded by just breakout buying. Okay, breaking out of the trend line doesn't mean a buy. Okay, that makes things clear. Breakout of trend line doesn't mean buy, or breaking down the trend line doesn't mean the sell. USDN, this one may go lower earlier. Okay, so this to correct over there, probably something like this, then to start dropping. You want to take a sell. Okay, take this sell. It could go nicely. So watch it. Watch how it develops during the week. Pound Chief, it's going for the bigger correction over there. As you can see, as it stands right now, that's going to be the bigger correction. There was one correction, and now it's trying to push higher. So go for this movement if you want. If don't want, then just let it do whatever it wants to do. Let it die out, and then you'll start selling. Sell is definitely what you want. Look at that one. There's the bigger potential, which is setting up over there. Look at that one. Okay, so it's really worth of waiting it. Buy, it's not yet there, so watch for this buy over there and then sell. Pound USD, similar like euro dollar. This going higher. Watch the price going lower. Okay, keep your eyes on. Very good chart as well. Pound Aussie. Okay, Pound Aussie, if do correct, take a sell. Okay, if it will give you any kind of correction, you have to sell it. Look at that one. How long you should not be trading. Look at that one. From the beginning of the month until now, you should not be trading. Okay, so once you see this kind of structure, if you're not skilled enough, then you have to stay away from it. And still you have to stay away until it gives you the correction, and this will give you the much more stable sense of direction. Pound New Zealand, this one can drop down as well, but I will not sell it from there. Let it drop, let it correct, then I will take a sell. Pound Cat, it can drop down as well, so all cats are setting up for more downside. Okay, so this could happen during the day today. Okay, they can just drop down. Can they go up? Not yet. As it stands right now, it cannot go up. Cat Chief, yeah, correction. That's gonna be the correction over there. Correcting over there and then going lower. So keep an eye, let this correction to appear over there, and definitely you should sell it. You should be a seller. That's gonna be your trade, guys. Chief Nokian. This one can just correct over there and then drop, so don't sell it as stands right now. Let it drop, let it correct, then you take a sell. Silver going up will not go far probably, as it looks like now. This will go lower. They can even go tagging the low, so be careful. Be careful trying to sell the silver or buy. Gold is trying to push higher but not far. Okay, what I see, take a sell. You have to go for this sell. If it stops by the previous low, giving you the flat over there, take a buy. It's gonna go back at the trend line, giving you this kind of structure, and then go lower. Look at that one. It went up, they went up, and then they go lower. They will go, went up, and then they go lower. Okay, so be careful on this gold structure. They can get complicated, but if this is all the correction, then definitely you have to be the seller. You have to take a sell, because you'll never know where the correction will stop or what will appear. Okay, but if you are in the trade, it's really easy to decide. You can just put the trade on break even and then see what it's trying to do. Is it losing momentum? La 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 la. Then you take profit from the sell. If not, then this will just drop down nicely and you'll be in a nice profit. Easy, guys. Okay, so any questions? I will end the webinar over there, so if you don't have any questions, you guys are sending me a lot of private messages, and sometimes I just forget to answer on all those messages that people are asking me, sending me them emails, contact me on telegrams and so on. I just forget to answer those questions. There are a lot of questions. Maybe one day we should make a just Q&A, and then you guys will be able to ask everything. Oh, somebody wants Bitcoin. Yeah, why not? Let's have a quick look on Bitcoin, what the Bitcoin is trying to do. It's going up. Now the question is this the last move? Is this the last move and we're going totally to the upside? Nobody knows, so buy it and see how it goes. Okay, this could be a completed structure and we may now go higher. Okay, really possible that this is all and we are going up now. So as it stands Bitcoin right now, I would go for the buy, take every buy and see what is about to do. Okay, buying it here. If it's not going, if it starts to dying out, any sell stop, close the buys, wait for a new low and buy again. But I'm not sure that there it will be the sell. I'm really interested for a buy, or I really see the buy it over there, and we will start pushing higher. Okay, maybe even during the day today they should start pushing. So based on that, you should be ready with your crypto trades. Okay, so all the crypto guys should be ready on time, because crypto market is setting up for some opportunities. Some setups are in the making and you can do some of them. As I can see now, we are doing as well the crypto. there are a lot of you guys were sending me about that you are more interested to have one webinar for everything. So you would love to see a theory, or me, why not? Okay, we have a tag of the previous low. Perfect. If you're in the buy, yeah, that's gonna be a good trade. Similar like Bitcoin. Watch this one now. Okay, so every buy setup you can take. If this is all of the low we have, this correction, take a buy. Okay, it could be a nice start of the up movement. They can just go up, giving you the deeper pullback, and then they will go similar like they did there. Okay, but not that deep, like this, and then they will go. That's just gonna confirm your buy. So yeah, it's a good opportunity to start watching for a buy. Crypto is waking up for investors, for the long-term investors, as it looks like. Feel. Setting on the bottom, yeah, good chart to watch as well. You can search for buy stops, but no momentum currently right now. So if you want to go for the long-term investing, yeah, you can buy it, but be careful if it stops by the previous high, one more leg lower, and then it will go higher. So that's all what can happen. But either way, if you have time, if you watch the charts every day, then you can just let it go up, let it give you the correction, and take a buy. Then there is a spot where you should be a buyer. Okay, after seeing this flag over there, then you should be a buyer. Don't be too early if you're watching the charts every day. Okay, every day watching charts is really beneficial. You can spot a really good entries, and of course you'll make more money because your entry is the most important factor. Really important in investing and trading is where you enter the trade, or where you open the trade, or where you invest. .anc waves FTM, yeah, let's see. Dot good as well. Okay, so let's see if this gives you any flag over there. Buy it. Okay, buy it, see how far it goes. If it stops somewhere there, then you of course take profit, or at least put it trades on break even. New low, you buy again. Okay, it's a good dot. It's making sense. Okay, so keep an eye on it. Let's see what is it trying to do. But this is what could happen as well. So nice opportunity, of course. Just watch now. What is it trying to do right now? As it stands right now, then ANC. What ANC is? I don't have this one. ANC USD. I don't have this one. This one can make a new low. This could go for a new low and then go up. Very possible. Or as it stands right now, let me see the 1 hour. What is it trying to do? This could just go lower, something like this, and then going up. This is possible. So kind of tricky trading from where it is right now. New low would be better. New low would be better, and then going higher. Waves. Yep, this one's also looking great. Oh, I would not buy this one. It's kind of dangerous. This could be completed structure went up. Now this could go into the correction or if it corrects, buy it as it did there. Any correction you can buy. Wait a little bit more. And FTM. Where's the FTM? FTM. Here it is. What this one's trying to do. If it corrects, buy. If it drops, wait for new low and then buy. Okay? I know you're trading patterns. Are they based on Elliott wave principle? Yes, there are some of the patterns that are from Elliott wave principle, but there are some of them that aren't described well in the book. So some of them are a little bit different than they were described in the book. Where's the deep in Bitcoin? Bitcoin with the deep. Bitcoin. Okay, so you guys are asking about the Bitcoin all the time. I've been sharing already the Bitcoin, but let me do again. Okay, I see that Bitcoin is trying to push higher, so you can buy it. And if it will not go, if it stands there, start to struggle, prepare for one more sell, break the low, then buy again. Okay, that's how I see the Bitcoin. It could be completed and we should start going higher. Okay, that could be a nice expanded flat over there, completed already, and these move to start happening anytime soon. So you just have to watch it closely now what this is trying to do. ANG, let's see the ANG as well. ANG, what ANG is doing? Same there. This one has no buy stop currently. Wait for buy stop, then buy it. Okay, because it could just go up slightly, break the top, and then reverse, break the low, and then you can buy. So little bit dangerous. ANG is a little bit dangerous, but it's similar as Bitcoin. Look at that one. They are all structurally the same. We have a nice pullback. I will be buying there on strong breaks to the upside. Okay, start buying it once you will see the strong candles happening or appearing over there. So place some alarms and watch it closely. There's no buy stop yet, but it will appear during the week probably. GAR. Oh, sorry. Okay, I don't have that one. Let me add it. Let it stay there a little bit more and then buy as well. They are showing this buy setup as Bitcoin is showing, so watch it. It's interesting chart to watch for the buy as well. Yeah, ZIL and GRT. ZIL. I personally would love to see breaking the low over there. I would love to see this one going this, break the low and then buy. So maybe I will not chase this one. Let it break the low and then buy. But yeah, of course, if you're a spot trader, there is nothing to lose. So if you fucked up, you just have to wait. It will go break the low and then it will start to go, because this pattern hasn't completed yet. I don't see that this is all we have. We need just to break the low and then we'll have a buy. GRT USD. Good one as well. Okay, they are at the bottom. Wait for any kind of buy stops and buy it. Okay, a lot of good opportunities are forming there on the crypto. So guys, keep an eye. There's a lot of potential that could appear over there. You, of course. tagging the previous top is really interesting, or at least tagging the previous high. Yeah, watch it, guys. Interesting and good setups are about to appear, so watch them closely. Okay, very good. So this is it, guys, everyone. I will end the webinar over there. So if you want me to analyze any crypto or any pair that I didn't, leave a comment below. Okay, leave a comment below on YouTube especially. Comment it and I will watch it next time. Every Sunday I'm there, free for general public. We are watching charts every day inside of the academy. So for those who are there, for those who are not inside of the academy, leave a comment and I will watch the chart next time for you. Thank you everyone for being there and hope that you guys have a wonderful week. Take care, enjoy your day and see you next time. Bye bye.